It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, and today I want to share insights into the Kwanzaa principle of Umoja. Umoja means unity, which stresses the importance of working together to achieve greater results. Unity is reflected in the African saying, I am because we are. Jesus taught that a house divided against itself cannot stand. You must have unity, and there are benefits for working together. If you ever see geese fly, they fly in a V. The one in the front is hitting the headwinds, the hardest position, but then they rotate, and everyone gets a turn hitting the headwinds because they know if they work together, they will fly faster and fly higher and get to their chosen destination quicker. In the book of Proverbs, it says how good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. Today, I encourage you to embrace the principle of Umoja, unity. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com, winwithwillie.com for resources to help you win more. Sign up for my newsletter if you're not on it, and share this video with everybody you know. And remember, your best is yet to come.